Okay, so just only one things, friends. Every day, if I said that, if I committed the code in the Git repository, if I given the link, you guys also complete it. That's it, right?
Yeah, right, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
right.
because guys, okay, see, I'm also busy, right? I'm also busy because of in the busiest time only I'm giving the time to you people, na? So why I cannot ask, right? To show the code as well as where you are stucking, as well as one more things, guys. Okay, whatever code you guys are implementing in your project, right? So try to speak it right front of someone, right? I implemented this code, right? Like this scenario is there, like this scenario, like everything, just tell. Okay, our client said that, because if you mention the client, right, or if you habituate like that, so whenever you guys will give the interview, in the interview, what is that, based on that our client requirement, right? If anything like, then your impression will be different based on that our like client requirement. I implemented in our project, download the PDF and upload the PDF kind of things, right? This is the one module in which area I worked, right? Like that you can say. And if the, then in between, if the interviewer is saying that what are challenges you faced in your project, so you can say that, right? Previously I did not implemented our, what is that, PDF downloading and uploading things in our project. Suddenly I got this chance, right? So even I won't have the knowledge. Because of that, other different model, I took the help of internet, which is the challenging task for me to implement in the project, right? But I stuck it. I took the help of our team, as well as I took the help of our Google. Then I completed this task, right? Even though I took the whatever time period was there, based on that my time was extended, but I able to complete it, that task. These challenges I faced in the projects currently only, right? Like that you can make the story, right? So when you can make the story, when you can able to speak on your project. Clear, friends?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, definitely.
I will prepare you people, with every aspect in the project, friends. Okay, our project is not like doing the businesses and collecting the money from the student, right? My intention is not that. So I will prepare with all aspect to you people. Even once, right, once you completed the project, right, automatically that much confidence will be there. If you sitting in the interview, right, by listening your answer, if the interviewer is asking related any question related to your project, any question, right, I will like brush up your brains, right? If you giving the answer also, that answer also will come like reality, even though the person don't having the real time experience. Like that I will brush up, but the thing is fully followed me, friends, okay, in the project. Because in the subject you guys are followed army, I won't bother about that. Even I did not ask to anyone, right? But definitely in the project, if the person is like showing their what is that talent, right, I will kick that person. Even I will not give the permission to join the meeting also, right? Even the person is thinking about that, no, I will do the practical project, because everything is there in my control only, friends. Okay, because in the RK technology, even in this Zoom meeting also is there in my control. Even if I'm thinking about that, if I don't want this person, I will remove it. If I remove, that person cannot join the session, right? So
Right, Ravi.
yeah,
Yes,
so
Ravikant.
yeah, so if I'm like giving my time, I need, right, I need full response from the everyone. So okay, so now let's talk about some project, right? Project concept, right? Project design and what kind of things we will understand, right? Okay, so project, guys. Okay, so our project knowledge is divided into three categories, friends. Okay, project will be I divided our project I divided into D,
Three category.
and D knowledge, right? 3D. Okay, so the 3D means what is that? First, I will explain what is that project theory. Means what is that? First D means what? First D means what is that? Domain knowledge I will give. Domain knowledge is there, right? Domain knowledge I will give, right? In the domain knowledge, what is that? What kind of domain, which kind of project is there, who's the client, right? Who's the client, how many modules are there, what is the functionality of first module, what is the functionality of this module, right? And how we can implement, and all those things, like these things will be there. Is nothing but what is that, friends? Theory.
Okay, Ravi.
Theory will be there, right? Like it just it what is that? It is provide full details, right? Full details of project. Full details of what? Project. Like what is that? Like what it is, and where it is used. Clear? And how it works. How it works, and what operation, what operations we can do, right? So our domain will provide these information about that project. After then, what is that? Second D, what is that? We will give design. We will give design, friends. Okay, we will give what is that? Design. We will understand what is that?
Design.
We will understand what is that? Design, right? Design means what? Design means what, friends? Our first we will design database, right? Database. So that is called what is that? ER are nothing but what is that? Entity.
Relation.
Entity and
Entity relation.
Relationship.
entity relation, right? Entity relation. It is nothing but what is that? Database design. Database design, like what is that? Which kind of relation we can design it? Like what is that? How many designs are there, friends? Like just I'm giving what is that? One to one,
One to many.
one to many,
Many to one. Many to many.
one to many,
Many to one and many to many.
many to one, and
Many to many.
many to many, right? This kind of relation will be there in the
Yes, sir.
database, right? After then, what is that? Next, what we will understand? Project flow, friends, right? Project flow. Which kind of project flow? Means nothing but what is that? DFD, data flow, right? DFD.
Data flow diagram.
Yeah, then we will understand what is that? Data flow, right? Data flow design. Then we will understand what is that? Data flow data flow design, right? Design. Okay, Data
Yes.
flow design. We will understand what is that.
Yes, Praveen.
Data flow design. What is the data flow design is indicating, friends? What is the data flow design is indicating? Flow of what is that? Flow of data, right? Data between DV, right? Flow of data between what is that? DV, right? So just I'm giving the example. Just assume that what is that? I'm taking the one. This is our client will be there, friends, right? Client is nothing but what is that? Browser, right? Browser. And here what is that? Our database will be there, right? Our database will be there. Okay, and here server is there where our application is running, server, right? Server. Okay, so here what is that? Our application is there, right? So here from client to database, right? And database to what is that? Client. What is the data flow is there? What is the data flow is there? That is nothing but what is that? DFD, right? This is called what is that?
Yes.
Data flow, right? Data flow. So we will first, then we will design this data flow. Then after then what is that? After then what is that? We will understand what is that, how the data is like how our container is preparing and the data process is happening. Like for example, I'm taking, friends, okay, from example, even day to day our what, in the session also we seen those things, right? So what is that? Just for example, I'm taking, right? For example, what? For example, here our HTML page is there, right? HTML form. Just assume that this is what? HTML form. HTML form. HTML form is there, right? So this HTML form, what the process is happening? This HTML form is converting in the object format now. Come on, in the
Yes, Ravi.
MVC,
Object
right?
form.
So object
Yes, Ravi.
format, right? After then what will happen now? This one is storing in the table as a row format.
Data tables.
In the row format, right? This data is storing in the table as a row format, right? Come on, this is the
Yes, Ravi.
right.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, correct. And this is the table, and this is the row, right? Okay, so this is the one DFD. We can say this is the one DFD. Like that we will understand and then we will implement in our project, right? After then what is that? See boss, if the person is really high-end experienced, for those people that is okay, these things is there in their like these things is there in their brain, right? But like if who won't have the, like who's the just like started their career in IT industry, as well as who don't have the much experience about that, right? So without a like DFD and like what is that UML diagram, if we give that, like what is that, let's take these things and develop it, that is also not good things. Okay, so every project having what is that DFD like DFD ER diagram and what is that UML notation, friends. Okay, then the development is going in the real time also, right? So okay, so for example,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
yeah, let's take another example also. Let's take what is that another example also. Okay, so just here what is that, we want what is that to fetch all record from the database, right? So just here what is that, just this is the table is there, right? This is what table is there.
Right, table.
This is table is there. In the table what is that, row row 1 is there, and what is that, row 2 is there, dot dot dot, multiple tables are there, right? I want to fetch this record, right? I want to fetch this record, right, to give the end user in the like list of record, right? So how we can, so we will give the this DFD, right, this DFD. So here what will happen now, this rows will convert in the object of list, right? Come on, this rows is converted
Yes.
in the
Yes, Ravi.
object of what, object of
List of
list,
objects.
object of list. And what we will do it now, we will give this list of object to, so again we will return to this list to whom, HTML page, right?
Browser.
HTML page is
Yes,
nothing
sir.
but browser, and
Browser only.
this browser will render in the table, right? Come on, this browser will render
Yes, Ravi.
this record in the table format, right? Come on. So this is nothing but what
Yes,
we
Ravi.
can say, that HTML table, HTML table, right? HTML table. So these things is comes under what? These things is comes under what is that? DFD. DFD, right? So here what is that? I said that entity, right? Entity is nothing but what, friends? Table relation, right? I said that the people is asking what is the entity.
Yes, Ravi.
So entity, right? Entity is nothing but table relation. Table relation is nothing but what is that? One table primary key. One table primary key is taken as what? As another table foreign key, friends, right? Clear?
Yes, Ravi.
Okay. So
Yes, sir.
after then we will understand what is that low level, right? Low level notations, friends. Okay, which is called what is that? LLD, low level design. Okay, we will understand what is that low level. Then what is
Low
that?
level design.
Yeah. So LLD is nothing but what is that? We will understand UML, right? Nothing but what is that? UML. We will understand what is that. Then we will understand what? UML, right? UML. In the UML, what we are doing now, we are designing what is that low level design of our project, friends, right? Using which one? Oops. Using what is that? Oops concept, right? Oops concept. What is the instance for what is that UML? UML is nothing but what?
Unified modeling.
Unified modeling language. By taking this one, what we are designing now? We are designing classes, we are designing object, we are designing what is that? State of our object, etc, friends. Okay,
Yes, Ravi.
state, right? So how we will design it, friends? So how our class is representing, just I'm giving the picture about, don't worry, we will learn each and everything, right? We will learn each and everything, friends. Okay, so this is the our UML notation will be there, friends. Okay, this is the UML notation will be there, our low level design UML notation. Okay, so this one will represent as a, what is that? How we are representing, like just what? Our, this is the package, package statement will be there. Package statement will be there, and after then what kind of things, which one will come? Class statement will come. Class statement will come. After then what is that? Variable statement will come. variables statement will come. After then what is that? Constructor and a method statement will come.
Method.
Constructors and a method statement, right? So like that, don't worry, just I'm giving the overview, friends. Okay, if we will see that and we will design it. I will give the assignment first, I will explain, then I will ask to you people. Okay, please show me. And even in the drive also I will give the assignment every day in the drive, right? I will check the assignment for everyone. Okay, so
Okay.
guys, only one thing is there, like education, right? If you are if the person having good education, right, everything like that person can achieve in their life. Just I know these things in my life, friends. Okay, because of that, see, whatever things is there, only education only I have, except that nothing is there, right? So because of that, one little bit good compared to my ages person. I'm not saying that I'm a so much thopu person, but if I'm comparing with my age people, right, with those people I'm good. So that is also good only, right? Because so okay, friends. So now, till now, how many D we understood, friends? Till now, how many D we understood? 2D, right? Because 1D, right? 1D and a design and a domains and a design and a one more D will D is there. What is that?
Development.
Yeah. So development, right? Another is there, what is that? Development. Inside that, what is that? By seeing that design, friends. Okay, by taking that design, what we will do it now? We will convert this design into code, right? Come on.
Code. Yes, Ravi.
Yeah, so what we will do it now? We will convert by taking that design into what is that? Into, we will code it, right? We will code it. After then, what kind of operation we will perform? After completing that coding, what we will do it now? We will test it, right? We will test it using what is that? Unit framework.
Testing tools.
Yeah, testing tool are what is that? JUnit. Okay,
Yes, Ravi.
JUnit, right? After then what we will do it now? After doing these many things, next what we will do it now? We will implement what is that? Logging mechanism in our project.
Yes, Ravi.
Implements what is that? Logs, right? Plus ELK also I will explain, friend. Okay, this is the tools. Okay,
Yes, Ravi.
ELK, right? So here what is that? Why we are implementing to tracing the error, friends, right? So just what I'm saying now, just simple. This is the development machine is there, friends. Okay, this is the dev machine is there, right? This is the dev machine is there, right? Machine is there. Okay,
Yes, Ravi.
in the dev machine, what is that? If you develop your application, right? If you develop your application, this application is working fine. This application is working fine because here we are like, after developing that, we have the console, right? We have the console, we can check it, the output, right? Console.
Yes, Ravi.
But whenever we are deploying this project in the right production environment, friends, right, then the real story will come. Like, what is that? This is just assume production environment, right? In the production environment, whenever we are deploying our application, so the problem will come. So how we can know that what kind of problem is there in our project, how we can trace it? So for
Login file.
that purpose, we are implementing what is that? Log. logs, right? Logs plus what is that? UI is there, right? We will observe those things using UI. That UI is nothing but friend ELK. We will use what is that? ELK. So by taking that, what kind of things we are doing now, friends? We are checking that successes, errors, and warning, like these things we are doing right. So this is the overview of our what is that project, friends. Okay, now so many things is there. Okay, so just today is the first day, right? Today is the first day. So what I'm doing now, let's stop our session, right? Let's stop our session. We will meet again the same time tomorrow again, right? If any your friends need, right, inform those people also, they can also join with us. Okay, they can also utilize these things, friends. Okay, so
Yes, sir. Yeah.
yeah, so let's stop our session today, friends. Okay, so be ready for that our project session. Once our project session is started, means what, hardly if really any emergency is there, then only I will stop the session on that day. Except that our session will be the continue only, right? Kishore Prasad, you are raising the hand. What is your doubt? If any doubt is there, unmute yourself, you can talk, right? I won't have any issues.
Yeah. What is the duration of the project for complete?
When you joined this session, middle of that,
Today's session.
I believe it would complete in
three or
one month to
4
one.
months, depending.
Yeah,
3 or 4
already 1 minute also. I'm searching there where the
Yeah, already described no? At that time of starting the session.
yeah.
Okay.
What is the duration? What is the duration? Clearly,
Every day 1 hour.
Okay.
still we not decided the timing in the morning, right? But mostly we are planning in the morning, or as well as the people, if people is saying that after 8 o'clock in the evening, that is also fine for me. I won't have any issue. Morning 7 o'clock onward, or if you guys are ready for that after 8 o'clock, I am ready for that, friends. Okay, because in the daytime I can't give the time, but if you guys are ready for after like 8 to 9 evening also, that is also fine for me. Or morning, if you guys want, just let me know that your convenient time, what is the right time for you people in the group. You guys only discuss it and tell me, then I will take based on these two timing in the weekdays. And the weekend is
Okay,
our like,
Okay.
yeah, in the weekend, like how we are taking the session, like that only, based on your choice. If you guys are saying that in the front end side React.js, then React.js I will take. If you guys Angular, then Angular also I take. Which one? Or if you guys want DevOps, then DevOps also I will take, right? Which one in the three subject, right? Which one you guys want, just tell me in the group, but discuss it, right? In the group, if you guys are discussing, then based on that I will monitor that right, which one is the priority more. Based on that priority I will take the batches. Clear, friends?
Okay,
Okay.
okay,
Yeah, we will
okay.
discuss on the group.
From this month.
Let
So
Sir, one request is there. First, timely for we need to, or other things, whatever related to this project. First, please try to complete that one.
I think you are new in the session. Don't bother about that. Everything I uploaded in the YouTube channel. Just I completed our Spring Boot and microservices batch, right? So all videos is there on our YouTube channel, right? All live sessions video I recorded, and those video I uploaded on YouTube channel. You can go in the playlist of Spring MVC. In there itself only you will find theme leaves. Like how theme leaf we are configuring and how we are designing those pages and all those things. Clear?
Yeah,
yeah.
yes, step by
Spring
step
Boot and
there.
microservices.
Step by step there.
YouTube link I have shared in this chat only.
Yeah, so just only one thing, friends. Okay, again and again, you why I'm saying that I won't have anything, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Even I never did like that marketing also. Please subscribe our YouTube channel or no. Why I'm saying that, if you subscribe it, right, once if you search it, suddenly the things you will get. But if you are not subscribing, lots of channels are there on YouTube channel, right? So you can once between you and me, like a distance will come, right? Then our YouTube channel, you will forget based on that which name that YouTube channel and all those things. Subscribe it, right? Then like whatever update I'm giving on the YouTube channel, you guys will get it. You guys will get it, right? So like in the spring, and don't worry about that. Today I will prepare that things also, like what is the roadmap to learn our what is that spring and spring boot. Okay, so those videos, like those images also I will upload in the our YouTube channel community section. If anybody need, just by seeing that, looking that, first I will start quorum, then I will start what is that scheduling concept. After then I will start JDBC, JPA, then MBC, then rest, like that. Okay, so I will prepare one image, and that image I will upload in the community section in our YouTube channel, friends. Okay, so if any time, if
Ravi,
anybody
Yes,
yeah.
this is
Sorry,
yes,
Ravi.
it is good for us, like a roadmap. After which mode we
Actually,
need to
I have one question, Ravi.
Yeah.
So, what is the clean architecture? I don't know, but I'm just asking here
Sorry.
because one what is clean architecture? Because I attended yesterday before 2 days. So someone asking what is clean architecture. So I don't know
Clean
what is
architecture.
this
Okay,
clean architecture.
I also heard first time only, right? So don't worry, I'll check it. What is the even?
I'm also here first time, so I'm just
Yeah. I'm also. It's okay. It's an interview, and based on their experiences, people are asking. It's not meaning that people also like blind only. So I also don't know the clean architecture. I will check it. Maybe this
architecture.
DFD and all those things, I think so. But first I will clear it, then I will tell clear picture about that. Even I also heard first time only, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it's a
Okay,
good
thank you.
question. Good question, and I appreciate you. You asked in the here, and I will clarify your doubt, but give me some time. Because see, boss,
Yeah, sure.
I'm
Thank you.
also human only, right? It's not meaning that like if I only know everything, na. so first I will check it. What is the really meaning of
Yes, Ravi.
clean architecture? Definitely I will tell based on my analysis as well as based on my
Yes.
knowledge. Okay, whatever I will search on Google, and I will collect the whatever I will collect the knowledge. Based on that, I will tell what is the reality of these things. Okay.
Okay, Ravi. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So anyone still, if anybody want to talk, right, they can unmute yourself and you can. Anybody?
Yes, the project session will start from the Monday, or you will decide.
Today
And,
we started. Today we already started.
yeah.
One more day,
Nee,
Sunday. Don't worry. One more day is there, Sunday, na. So let's
yeah.
everyone, right? Everyone, because see, boss, everyone is a working employee. I can't force them, right?
Yes.
Okay, no.
Yeah.
So based on that, because on the Telegram, I created one poll. In the poll, near about 100 some people is voted, right? In between, right, 53% people is voted for the morning time, and 48% people voted for the only weekend. So because of that, little bit I'm like confused, and so I don't want to because I'm not going to give the recording session also, right? So I don't want to miss those people also. So because of that, in the just why I'm saying that, put the messages in the group. Let's see how the people are responding in the group. I will observe it. Based on that, we will decide. One more day is there, na. Don't worry, tomorrow we will clearly decide it, at what time we will start the session in the weekdays. And it's a guarantee, in the weekday session will be there. The project batch will be there in the weekdays also, but timing we will decide after tomorrow, right? Tomorrow, end of the day.
Yes, Ravi. Thank you.
Okay, Ravi.
Okay.
Thank you, Ravi.
Yeah. So now anything else, friends? Anyone?